Building wealth in South Africa isn't just about working harder, it's about working smarter by owning assets that decouple your time from your money. The truth is, you will never get rich on a salary alone. But what if you could build a money machine that pays you while you're sleeping, braying, or even on holiday? Today, I'm showing you the exact blueprint to building assets that pay you forever right here in South Africa. We aren't talking about get-rich-quick schemes, we're talking about real, South African wealth. Let's get into it. Asset 1. The Dividend Machine, JSE Stocks. The most accessible way to start is the Johannesburg Stock Exchange, JSE. You don't need millions, you just need a tax-free savings account, TFSA, or a basic brokerage app like Easy Equities. How it works: you buy shares in mature companies, blue chips like Standard Bank, Vodacom, or British American Tobacco. They pay out a portion of their profits to you as dividends. The Forever strategy: reinvest your dividends. Use the Dividend Aristocrats ETF, like the Satrix Divi, to automatically invest in companies with a proven track record of paying out. Tip: use your 36,000 annual TFSA limit first so the government doesn't touch a cent of your growth or dividends. Asset 2. Digital real estate, content and products. In 2026, a YouTube channel or an ebook is a digital house you build once and rent out to the world forever. How it works: create evergreen content. A video on how to register a business in SA will get views and add revenue for years. The Forever strategy: turn your knowledge into a digital product. Sell a 200 Rand PDF guide or a niche course on platforms like Gumroad or Takealot. Tip: focus on solving local problems, load shedding solutions, SA tax tips, or local side hustle ideas. Asset 3. Sectional title property, rental income. Property is the classic South African wealth builder, but the secret isn't just buying a house, it's leverage. How it works: buy a small apartment in a high-demand growth node, like Midrand or Claremont. Use a bank loan, other people's money, and let the tenant pay the bond. The Forever strategy: once the bond is paid off, the rental income is pure cash flow. Look into REITs, real estate investment trusts. If you don't want the hassle of being a landlord, you can buy into malls like Sandton City for as little as 10 Rand. Tip: focus on student housing or secure estates. Security is the biggest selling point in the SA rental market. Asset 4. The hands-off business, SME equity. Instead of starting a business that requires you to be there, invest in one that already works. How it works: use platforms like Uprise Africa or buy into a franchise. The Forever strategy: be a silent partner. Provide the capital for a local car wash, a laundromat, or a solar installation business in exchange for a percentage of the monthly profit. Wealth in South Africa isn't about how much you make, it's about how much of your money is out there working for you. You don't need to do all 4 of these today. Pick one, start with 100 Rand or 1 hour of your time, and stay consistent. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, the second best time is right now. If you're ready to start building your South African empire, hit that like button and comment below, assets, so I know you're serious. And don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into making your rands work harder. See you in the next one.